disclaimer, like in all of my other videos, my nose ring is sticking out yet again throughout the entire thing, so I am sorry. Enjoy! Hi guys, what is up? It's Alyssa. My vanity is a mess. I'm just gonna shove everything into the corner so you can't see it. I wanted to make this video to show you guys an eye makeup look that I have created a few times. I recently got the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. I have no idea how long this palette has been out for, but I got it the other day from TJ Maxx and it was on sale for $15. I should have looked to see what the regular price is so I could tell you guys. I don't know what it is, but it says on here that it's comparable to $20 and I purchased it for $15. I thought I was getting a steal. I don't know, I could have just gotten scammed, but biggest scam of the century. Anyways, I purchased this palette. It looks like this. It's called Natural Eyes and it has these colors in it. I'm going to get right into it and tell you guys what I've done already. Did my regular face makeup. If you guys would like to see how I do like my contour, my highlight and stuff. I know you guys probably can't really see it right now in the video because my lighting in my room sucks. But if you would like to see a video on that, there is already one posted on my daily makeup routine. I'm going to use this palette today and show you guys what I've done for the past few days and hopefully you guys enjoy it and it turns out great. Let's get into it. I'm taking this fluffy blending brush. It's by Lab Squared. I think that's what they're called. Hold on, it's not focusing. Yeah, it's called Lab Squared and it says just blending in brush. My hair is stuck in my lip gloss. Okay, cool. I am going to take Cashmere Bunny, which is this one. Dip my brush in there quite a few times. Tap it off, you know what I'm saying?
Well, I'm awake and I speak English, so yeah, I do know what you're saying.
And then just go into my crease. Actually, I'm only going to do one eye on camera and then I'll do the other one and then, yeah, just to save space on my SD card because I haven't deleted like anything in like 90 years. I keep blending this color, keep dipping my brush in, keep blending in. And I don't know if you guys can even tell, but this eye is getting a little darker. Maybe I should move this mirror. Hopefully that'll offer a little bit of better lighting to you. Just keep packing this color on, keep blending. I can't speak English, okay. A lot of people say that when you hold the brush towards the end, like down here, it helps blend better. Kind of trying it out right now, we'll see. Could look horrible, honestly. Oh no, it doesn't look bad. You guys can't really see anything. My lighting sucks so bad. I need to get like something, I don't know, better makeup lighting, something. Next shade that I'm going to be taking to my lids is this shade. It's called Sexpresso. Ooh, they're spicing it up. Okay, okay. I'm gonna take it on the same fluffy brush that I already used because I feel like I need to blend it before I start making like really bold, like putting the shade in here really bold in the corner. I need to blend it a little bit better with this shade that's already above it. I can't explain things for crap. I'm going just below what is already there, the shadow that I already placed on my lid. Blend, 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 blend. What the heck? Oh, that's my hair. I was like, did I get powder all over my shirt? But it's like the shine from my hair. Pantene, sponsor me. Literally just blending this. Blend, blend, blend. That's gonna be like my thing. I'm patenting that. Can you patent like a quote? Whatever, whatever. That looks a lot better than I expected, honestly. I don't know if you guys can see this stuff. So far, so good, homies. I'm going to take this brush. It's called Eye Blending Brush, and it's really small, actually. Yeah, I don't know what brand this is. I got this literally when I was in like 8th grade, and I have not gotten rid of these brushes yet because they are so good. I'm going to take the same shade, Sexpresso, and just dab this brush in there. And then I'm going to take it, this part's a little confusing to explain, but I'm literally just going to take it right here and just build color right here. And I'm gonna do the same thing again, just to darken up the corner. I'm gonna go back in with the same blending brush again that I have already used like 2 or 3 times and just blend that out in the corner. It's looking pretty good right now. I'm gonna go back in with the original shade, Cashmere Bunny, and just blend it all out, blend it all together. Oh my gosh, I stabbed myself in the eye. Do you guys ever like blend your shadow out and then you're like, oh my gosh, I literally look like I am going to a circus. Like it's not turning out fine. But right now I feel pretty confident with how this is turning out. It's looking pretty good. All right, And then I'm just gonna dip in again and take the same shade again, Cashmere Bunny. I don't really know how to blend. I just kind of taught myself. And then you're done. Then you don't even do the other eye because it's just that good, guys. Like, don't even worry about the other one. See ya. I'm kidding. I'm going to take this flat looking brush. And I got this brush the same day that I got this one. So I've literally had them for years. I don't know what brand it is. I'm sorry. It just says eyeshadow brush on it. I'm going to take one of these shades. I don't know which one I want to do. It's either this one, or this one. We'll do Push Up first. I'm gonna put it on my lid right here in the center. Kind of blend that in. And then I'm gonna take Honey Pot, which is this one, and put it closer to the inner corner of my eye, but not right here. I'm not gonna put it right here. Just put it closer to the front of my eye. Blending that into the other shadow. I'm going to put the shade Heaven in my inner corner. It's so hard to do this like in the camera. It looks really good in person right now. I'm just gonna blend this all out again, not take any more product on the brush. I'm just gonna blend all what I already have on. I'm not gonna add any more to it. Just blend it all together. Mix it all together. Oh yeah, it's so much better because you know you got the blend of both worlds. I hate myself, whatever. And now I'm gonna go off camera and do the other eye, and then I will show you guys how I do my winged liner. Okay, now that the eyeshadow is done on both of my eyes, I am going to show you guys how I do my winged eyeliner. It's the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner. It's just amazing. It's so perfect. Like, you guys did so good. I'm so proud of you. Mwah. I have hooded eyes, so it's really hard for me to do like fancy things with my eyeshadow, I guess. So that's why I don't really get creative with my eyeshadow. I don't really have a lot of wiggle room here with these eyelids. I'm making what I can work. So here's how I do my liner. I start out by drawing a line across, like a very thin line across the top of my lashes. Oh my gosh, my camera's gonna die! I gotta do this quick. Draw the line across my eyelid like that, from the corner of my eye right here, and go up, like just a little bit. Like that, okay? And then I take and connect that line down like that. And then I fill in. Okay, and then after I do my liner like that, I do it to the other eye. So you guys, I literally have like 2 seconds to finish off this video before my camera dies, but I just wanted to say all I did was add this mascara, the Maybelline Colossal Spider Effect, to my lashes. And I don't know if you guys can really see the finished makeup look, but this is it. I kind of got some eyeliner on my eyelid, but it's fine. You know what? I'm not actually going anywhere, so it's all good. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this, comment that down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Also, comment your favorite eyeshadow palette in the comments, homies. Alright, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. I love you. Bye.